This is a transport stream video, usually from a satellite receiver or DVR. It's MPEG-2 video. Just rename the extension to .mpg and it should play in VLC media player. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's rename it. Pro tip: for TRP files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. The TRP file extension represents a HD video transport stream file. This format is commonly used for storing high-definition video content, particularly in digital television broadcasting and recording devices. TRP files are based on the MPEG-2 transport stream standard, allowing for multiplexing of video, audio, and metadata within a single file. TRP files adhere to the MPEG-2 transport stream, MPEG-TS structure, which divides data into fixed-size packets. Each packet contains a header with synchronization and identification information, followed by the payload containing video, audio, or metadata. This packetized structure enables robust error correction and synchronization in noisy broadcast environments. An essential utility for interacting with TRP is recognized as CyberLink PowerDVD by CyberLink. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows previews common formats easily, but nonlinear editing must be done elsewhere. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the TRP file and hit Open With. Test CyberLink PowerDVD if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your TRP file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, use Media Player. Open the file using a universal media player, e.g. VLC media player, CyberLink PowerDVD. Next, check codecs. Ensure the necessary video codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert format. Use a video converter tool to convert the TRP file to a guaranteed compatible format like .mp4. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.